Okay, for the second time I'm just considering dy by dx is equals to 0. Now I have to write down the equation of dy by dx that I calculated in the first part, and it was about 2x minus 3y minus 1 over 3x plus 4y, which is equals to 0. Because I'm just letting that my equation dy by dx is equals to 0. So just making as is equals to 0, I can solve it, and I'm able to get 2x minus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0. If I want to subject my equation in terms of y, then I'm able to get 1 minus 2 of x over 3. That will be the equation for my y. I just calculated the equation for y first. Now what I have to do so far, I have to plug that equation and the value of that y, just like marked as equation number 2, back into the equation that I have in the first part. And what it was 2y square plus 3xy plus x is equals to x square. At every place of y, I have to put down its value. So let's do. Consider the equation that I have. From equation number 1, I can see it's 2y square plus 3xy plus x, which is equals to x square. At everywhere that involve y, I have to put down its value. So that's gonna become 2 times of 1 minus 2 of x over 3 whole square plus 3 times of x times by the value of y, 1 minus 2x by 3 plus x, which is equals to x square. Let's do the simplification so far. 2 times of 1 minus 2x could be opened in terms of a minus b whole square formula. So that becomes 4x square minus 4 times 2 is 8x plus 1 over 3 square is basically become 9. Yes. 3 times 3 would be cancelled each other. This one and this one could be cancelled. And I'm able to get x minus 2 times of x would becomes negative of 2x square plus x mistake. Here is the sign mistake. It should be positive 2x and it should be negative 1, because once I subject my equation in terms of y, then definitely negative sign would be considered. So it would be minus 1 plus 2 of x. So it would be positive 2x negative 1 positive 2x negative 1. Yes, that's fine now. So it becomes negative of x. Instead of positive, there would be negative, and x times by 2 of x, it would become 2x squared. Yes, that's fine now. So that x and that x will cancel each other, and as a whole I'm able to get 2 times of 8 would be 8x square minus 8 times 2 is 16. Definitely it would be treated as 16x plus 2 over 9 plus 2x square minus x square, which is equals to 0. Yes, that's fine now. Now I can do the simplification, and I'm able to get 8x square minus 16x plus 2 over 9 plus x square which is equals to 0. Now let's took the LCM and I'm able to get 8x square minus 8x plus 2, 16x plus 2 plus 9x square. So it becomes 8x square minus 16x plus 2 plus 9x square which is equals to 0, because after taking the LCM of 9 will be times on the other side and it would become 0. So you will get 8 plus 9 would be treated as 17x square minus 16 of x plus 2. Yes, minus 16 of x plus 2 which is equals to 0. Now I have to take the value of x over so that I can solve it. This is a quadratic equation, so I have to calculate the discriminant for it, b square minus 4ac, and check either the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than equals to 0. If the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than equals to 0, it means that my solution exists, and it means that my assumption that I did so for dy by dx is fine. If it's not greater than equals to 0, means I'm able to get a complex number. It means that there is some mistake and my assumption is wrong that I have to prove. So anyways, that is my b, that is my a, and that is my c. So let's take b square minus 4ac and check what happens to it. B square means b square is actually your 9 and 8 are 17, so it would becomes b square minus 4ac, so it becomes it's 16 of x. Yes, so once you are able to get b square minus 4ac, your answer would become, let me check on my calculator, so it's coming as 64 minus 136, that is minus 72. So minus 72 is coming, that is less than 0. It means that it's not equals to 0, and in fact it's not a greater than 0. It is coming as less than 0. So it means that solution doesn't exist. Solution doesn't exist. It means tangent is not equal to 0. If solution exists, it means that my derivative or after taking b square minus 4ac, that was the discriminant, my solution should hold. But because it's coming as minus 72, the solution doesn't hold. That was the first of the foremost condition for existence of a solution. So that's is not going to hold. That was this one. So it means that the derivative should not be equals to 0.